First, make sure you are already inside a Google Meet meeting. Once you are in the call, look at the bottom of the screen where the meeting controls are located. Click on the Present Now option. After clicking it, you will see 3 sharing options: a tab, share a single browser tab; a window, share a specific application window; your entire screen, share everything visible on your computer screen. Choose the option that fits what you want to show. In most cases, sharing a tab is useful when you only want to present a website or a single page. After selecting your preferred option, click Share. Your screen will now be visible to everyone in the meeting. When you want to stop sharing, go to the top of the screen and click Stop Presenting. And that's how you share your screen on Google Meet. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.